Just quiet and shit.
Just let it run, man. Let it run, dude.
Yeah, fucking, just let it run.
Last time on CBNR Maine. Oh, my gauges are going crazy.
Oh, yeah, no, we totally. No, you're gonna, now it's contrived. It's made up. It looks made up.
See, you don't appreciate anything,
Spontaneity. That's what I look for in a good video. Spontaneity.
Cockney, is that what you said?
Cockney, the British accent. What?
Did you see Fredo's ears perk up?
Well, no, I always said the Cockney accent.
Hey, look at that.
Of the more offensive English accents, it's also sexy.
Now, see?
Didn't I say that?
Yeah. These are facts. Hey, look at those
We're gonna get shot at and they're gonna kill us. Why are you doing this?
You know damn right, you don't tell me how to fly. I will fucking fly my plane right into your dog.
You're trying to kick my dog. Why do you do that?
Right. Oh, there's more. Yeah, we fought there for like 2 hours the other night. It was fucking wicked. Like, yeah, there were bags everywhere. All right. So where are we going?
No.
That's a scary
hell.
driving.
What the hell? We don't change our ways. Come on, man. Come on, gang.
All right, we're going forward, never straight. Right?
That's what Fred said. Ooh, there's a sign to someone. Oh, yeah.
There's people down there, too.
Oh, yeah. So, this is where it all started over here. In case you guys didn't know, I'm going to take you for the tour, okay? Let's see.
Do I have to get off?
No. This is the flag tour. If I can find it here.
There's the dogs.
Okay, right here. This is where the base is at.
Yo, dogs.
There was a base. There was a base right here.
There was?
Yeah, there was a base right here.
Okay.
And this is where Murder Beach name was kind of, made.
Is that the famed Murder Beach?
Yeah, this is it.
From back in the day, Murder Beach?
Yeah, this is Murder Beach right here.
Oh! You killed me, you bastard.
Oh, god dang it, man.
Why did